everyone, and thanks for joining me today for Origami with Miss Cynthia. National Read a Book Day is celebrated on September the 6th. Also this month, National Fortune Cookie Day is celebrated. Although online sources dispute the definite Fortune Cookie Day between September the 13th and July the 20th, it's always a great idea to celebrate twice. Let's combine both Read a Book Day and Fortune Cookie Day. Now let's get started on creating these really cute origami cookies. Let's get started. The supplies you will need are one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, scissors, glue, pen or pencil, and optional, a circular object to use for tracing. Alright guys, once you selected your sheet of paper that you would like to work with, go ahead and grab your choice of circular object. This is a lid to a container, and this is about, I don't know, let me see, about 4 inches or so. Okay, so we're going to place it. If you want to draw your own circle, that's perfectly fine too. Miss Cynthia's just terrible at drawing circles. All right, so once we have our circle, and you can fold this page in half if you'd like to get two circles out. We're going to just cut out our circle. Okay. These are really fun to make, you guys. Really fun. All right, here we go. So you're going to bring your circle in half like this. So don't fold it, just bring one end of the circle, one side of the circle to the other, and then just hold it here. Okay, you're gonna hold it like this, like a taco. And then you're going to hold it, adding pressure on the top and pressure on the bottom like this, okay? Your index finger, you're going to position it in the middle here. Now, when we're folding this, on your right side here, where you're holding the circle together, you're going to kind of just bend it, crease it just down a little bit like this, at the same time that you're applying pressure on the top and the bottom, and also using your index finger like the knuckle, you're going to push inward. Okay, you ready? Bend, pressure, pressure, and then push in. Like this, keep going, and then bring it in like this. Okay, and then you can put glue here in the middle, just like this. Okay, let me do another one so I can show you one more time, and then I can actually put the little piece of paper there. So I had these made. I actually just typed up different titles that I've been wanting to reread, or you know, new titles that I've been wanting to read, new genres. So I just cut up a bunch of different circles. Let's do this again. Okay, you have your circle, bring it over. Now don't fold it, just bring it over like this, taco style. And then you're going to continue holding it like this, just pinch it. All right, remember, top, bottom, you're gonna add pressure. Your index finger, you're going to push. At the same time, over here on the right, you're going to bend. All right. Oh, let me put this in there. Okay. We are ready to roll here. Pressure, pressure, push, bend. There it goes, and then you just bring it together. And now you can just add glue here, just right in the middle. I'm kind of just pushing it so these two are parallel. And let me add some glue. You can use whatever glue. I brought out the glue gun because I think I'm going to make a bunch of these, and for our library to celebrate National Read a Book Day and also the fortune cookie, we'll have a bunch of these at the customer desk for customers to try out. Now, if you are looking into actually baking some of these, we do have some really cool cookbooks you can come and check out. And something similar when you're folding this, when you're actually baking these. So you have your cookie already baked, and it's easiest, and you want to actually fold it while it's still warm, not too hot because it'll fall apart, but warm enough. And the way you bend them, if you're baking, is while they're still kind of, warm on the sheet, you pick it up, you bend it. But what you use on the bottom is the edge of the cookie sheet. You just press it here and then it bends. And for them to hold shape, what you'll do next is bring out I like to use the cupcake holders so they stay in place in this shape like this. So these are fun to make. You can try, like I said, different colors, different pattern of paper. I did some newspaper ones. It looked pretty cool. Now, once that is dry, here is your fortune cookie. And like I said, for us to also celebrate, read a book day, I'll use these to see what else I'm going to read next. And there you go, guys. There is your fortune cookie origami. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our next in-person origami program. See you soon. Bye.